Picture this: you're sipping a tropical drink on pristine white sand, crystal clear waters stretching endlessly before you, and the only sounds are gentle waves and swaying palm trees. Now here's the kicker: you spent less on this entire island getaway than most people blow on a weekend in Vegas. Sound impossible? Well, buckle up because I'm about to shatter everything you thought you knew about island vacations being expensive. Today, I'm revealing 10 secret island destinations that'll give you that luxury resort experience without the luxury price tag. We're talking about places so incredible, so affordable, and so off the beaten path that most travelers have never even heard of them. Before we dive into these hidden gems, let me tell you something that'll blow your mind. The travel industry has been keeping these secrets locked away, pushing the same expensive destinations over and over. But here's what they don't want you to know: some of the world's most breathtaking islands are also the most budget-friendly. I've spent months researching, connecting with local contacts, and even visiting some of these places myself to bring you this exclusive list. Let's start with our first secret destination that's about to change your entire perspective on island travel. Number 1. Flores Island in Indonesia. Now, while everyone's fighting crowds and paying premium prices in Bali, Flores remains beautifully untouched and incredibly affordable. We're talking about accommodation for as low as $15 per night, meals for $3, and activities that won't cost you more than $20 for an entire day. But here's where it gets really exciting: Flores is home to the famous Komodo dragons, pink beaches that look like something out of a fairy tale, and traditional villages where time seems to have stood still. The island offers 3 island hopping tours for around $50 that would cost you $300 anywhere else in the world. Local transportation is practically free, and the diving here rivals the Maldives at a fraction of the cost. You can swim with manta rays, explore underwater caves, and witness sunsets that'll make your Instagram followers question reality. The best part? Your total daily budget, including everything, can stay under $40. Moving on to destination number 2, Koh Rong in Cambodia. This island is what Koh Phi Phi used to be before it became overrun with tourists and inflated prices. Koh Rong offers that same tropical paradise experience with powdery white beaches, bioluminescent plankton that lights up the water at night, and jungle adventures that cost next to nothing. Accommodation here starts at just $8 per night for beachfront bungalows that would cost $200 in Thailand. The island's secret weapon is its incredible value for activities. Snorkeling trips cost around $12, jungle trekking is often free with local guides who do it for tips, and the famous plankton tours run about $15. Food is ridiculously cheap with fresh seafood meals costing less than $5. You can literally live like royalty on this island for under $30 per day, all while experiencing one of nature's most magical phenomena when those waters light up blue at night. Number 3 takes us to the Philippines, but not where you think. While everyone flocks to Palawan and pays tourist prices, smart travelers are discovering Camiguin Island. This volcanic island offers hot springs, waterfalls, giant clams, and beaches that rival Boracay, all at local prices. We're talking about resort-style accommodations for $20 per night and island hopping tours for $15 that include lunch. What makes Camiguin extraordinary is its authenticity. You're not just visiting an island, you're experiencing genuine Filipino culture. The locals treat you like family, the food is incredible and cheap, and the natural attractions are mind-blowing. You can soak in natural hot springs, swim in crystal clear lagoons, and climb to volcanic craters for views that'll leave you speechless. Your entire daily budget, including activities, food, and accommodation, can easily stay under $35. Destination number 4 is going to surprise you: Crete, Greece. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking Greece is expensive, hear me out. While Santorini and Mykonos drain bank accounts, Crete offers all the Greek island magic at incredibly reasonable prices, especially if you know where to look. The secret is staying in local guesthouses and eating where the locals eat. You can find beautiful accommodations with sea views for $30 per night, especially in smaller towns like Hania's Old Quarter or villages along the southern coast. Fresh Mediterranean meals cost around $8, and many of the island's most spectacular attractions, like Samaria Gorge and hidden beaches, are either free or cost just a few dollars for parking. The island offers ancient ruins, pristine beaches, mountain villages, and that iconic Greek hospitality without the tourist markup. Number 5 brings us to an absolute hidden gem, São Miguel Island in the Azores, Portugal. This volcanic paradise sits in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, offering experiences you literally cannot find anywhere else on Earth. We're talking about natural hot springs, crater lakes with different colored waters, and landscapes so unique they look like alien planets. The magic of São Miguel is that it's still relatively undiscovered by mass tourism, keeping prices incredibly reasonable. Accommodations range from $15 to $40 per night. Local restaurants serve fresh seafood and regional specialties for under $10, and many of the island's most spectacular attractions are completely free. You can soak in natural thermal pools, hike to breathtaking viewpoints, and explore tea plantations without spending a fortune. Destination number 6 takes us back to Southeast Asia with Langkawi, Malaysia. While this island has some luxury resorts, it also offers incredible budget options that most travelers never discover. The secret is staying in local guesthouses and exploring beyond the main tourist areas. You can find beachfront accommodation for $12 per night and eat incredible local food for $3 per meal. Langkawi's unique appeal lies in its duty-free status, meaning everything from activities to shopping is cheaper than elsewhere in Malaysia. Cable car rides cost $8, island hopping tours run $15, and you can rent a motorcycle for $5 per day to explore hidden waterfalls and secluded beaches. The island offers mangrove tours, eagle watching, underwater world experiences, and stunning sunsets that cost almost nothing to enjoy. Number 7 might shock you, Madeira, Portugal. This Atlantic island offers year-round perfect weather, dramatic landscapes, and European sophistication at surprisingly affordable prices. The island's Levada walks are free hiking trails that lead to waterfalls and viewpoints that rival anything in Hawaii. Accommodation in local quintas starts at $25 per night, and the famous Madeira wine tastings cost just a few euros. What makes Madeira special is its incredible diversity packed into a small island. You can experience subtropical forests, rugged coastlines, mountain peaks, and charming villages all in one day. The local food scene is outstanding and affordable, with traditional restaurants serving generous portions for under $12. Transportation is cheap and efficient, making it easy to explore every corner of this remarkable island. Destination number 8 brings us to Naxos, Greece. While most people obsess over Santorini's crowds and prices, Naxos offers authentic Greek island life at a fraction of the cost. This island has everything: ancient ruins, incredible beaches, mountain villages, and local culture that hasn't been commercialized. Accommodation in family-run hotels costs around $20 per night, and traditional tavernas serve fresh seafood and local specialties for $8. Naxos rewards curious travelers with hidden gems around every corner. You can explore Venetian old towns, swim in secluded coves, hike mountain trails, and experience Greek island life as it was meant to be. The island's size makes it perfect for motorcycle exploration, costing just $10 per day for rentals, and many beaches and historical sites are completely free to enjoy. Number 9 takes us to the Caribbean with Dominica, the nature island. While other Caribbean destinations drain wallets, Dominica offers incredible natural experiences at budget-friendly prices. This island focuses on eco-tourism and adventure rather than luxury resorts, keeping costs reasonable for independent travelers. You can find local guesthouses for $20 per night and experience world-class whale watching, rainforest hikes, and waterfall swimming for minimal costs. Dominica's secret is that it's not your typical beach destination, it's an adventure paradise. Snorkeling with sperm whales costs $50, but it's an experience worth 10 times that amount. Hiking to boiling lakes, swimming in natural pools, and exploring untouched rainforests often costs nothing more than local guide tips. The island offers authenticity and natural wonders that money can't buy elsewhere. Our final destination, number 10, is Jeju Island, South Korea. This volcanic island offers unique landscapes, incredible food, and cultural experiences at prices that'll surprise you. While South Korea might seem expensive, Jeju offers budget accommodations starting at $18 per night and local food experiences that cost under $8 per meal. Jeju's appeal lies in its distinctive character, from lava tube caves to women divers called henyo, from volcanic peaks to beautiful beaches. Many attractions are free or cost just a few dollars, and the island's compact size makes exploration affordable. You can experience Korean culture, natural wonders, and unique traditions without the sole price tags. Here's what makes all these destinations truly special: they offer authentic experiences that money simply can't buy at mainstream tourist destinations. You're not just saving money, you're gaining access to cultures, landscapes, and adventures that remain untouched by mass tourism. The secret to making these trips work is embracing local culture, staying flexible with accommodations, and eating where locals eat. These islands reward travelers who seek authentic experiences over Instagram perfect resorts. Ready to escape the ordinary without breaking the bank? Start planning your secret island adventure today, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider travel secrets that'll change how you see the world forever.